I recently got downsized due to company cost cutting. With Raya coming near, I made the tough choice to sell my car and downgrade to a cheap second-hand car. I'm 34 now and feeling really left behind. Like I'm too old to catch up with property investment. How do I bounce back from this set?
So I think people don't fully understand apa yang kita buat kat Far Capital. I akan suruh you beli property yang boleh dapat cash out untuk settlekan hutang yang ada, pay off your car and naikkan you punya savings. It's not about you too old to catch on property investment. No. There's no such thing. Until you die, the subject of money management, financial intelligence is something you kena belajar sampai you meninggal. Kalau you tak nak meninggal miskin dan menyusahkan orang. So I think you're just 34. It's very easy to bounce back. If you still have a job and you akan kena berhenti lagi 2 ataupun 3 bulan ni, you can buy a property today. Selagi you ada payslip. Everything that you want to do, you kena buat sebelum you kena berhenti kerja. Before you berhenti, you can buy a property, boleh dapat cash out, boleh guna cash out tu untuk settle hutang kita, naikkan you punya saving so that even though you tak kerja setahun pun you're okay. But semua benda ni you kena buat sebelum you kena berhenti kerja. So selagi you ada kerja, selagi you ada income, boleh je you nak beli property lain. Dia dapat VSS, dia akan pergi beli satu ataupun dua property sebelum VSS. Dia dapatlah cash 2 tu 300 ribu, 100, 200 ribu, 300 ribu. So dia kena berhenti tu, dah lah kena bayar untuk berhenti. Dan beli property dapat lagi 50 ribu, 100 ribu. But you can only be happy and slowly cari kerja ni when you are financially educated.